This is the best day. Totally, let's jump. Woo, that was awesome. Yeah, let's go again. Look out there, something's coming from the ocean. Let's go check it out. Oh my God, this is Lightning McQueen car. It's damaged, but not finished. We can bring it back. Rust on the quarter panel, wheels are caked in mud, engine bay is grimy.
Stripping the car to bare metal removes every hidden flaw, giving us a perfect foundation for a true factory-fresh restoration. Primer seals the metal and creates the perfect base for paint to bond smoothly and evenly. A clean foundation ensures no dirt gets trapped during reassembly, keeping the restoration perfect from the inside out. Sound insulation reduces vibration and road noise, creating a smoother and quieter driving experience. Clear coat seals the color and adds deep gloss while protecting the finish for years to come. The second coat builds depth and brilliance, giving the color its signature glow and richness. The first color coat brings the car back to life, laying down rich tone and even coverage. Damaged metal is replaced with a fresh patch, welded carefully to restore full strength and structural integrity. Body filler blends small imperfections, creating a flawless surface before final sanding and paint preparation. Fine sanding removes every last imperfection, creating a surface so smooth the paint will flow like glass. Controlled heat allows the primer to harden evenly, locking in a smooth, durable surface for painting. Fresh carpet restores comfort and completes the clean foundation of the interior rebuild. Securely mounted seats restore comfort, safety, and a factory-fresh interior feel. The restored dashboard reconnects the car's controls, bringing function and beauty back to the cabin. Careful detailing restores clarity and smooth operation to every control surface. The rebuilt engine returns to its home, ready to power the car once again. Properly torqued mounts secure the engine firmly, preventing vibration and ensuring smooth performance. Reconnected hoses restore proper flow of coolant, air, and fluids throughout the engine system. Proper wiring ensures reliable power flow and long-term electrical safety. Reinstalled body panels restore the car's shape and aerodynamic lines to factory perfection. The front bumper restores protection and completes the aggressive, iconic look. The hood completes the engine bay, sealing the restoration with flawless alignment. The spoiler restores both performance balance and the car's iconic racing character. Final polishing brings out the depth, color, and flawless finish of the restored body. A final wipe perfects every curve, leaving the finish spotless and showroom ready. Polished chrome trim restores sharp details and completes the premium finish. Crystal clear windows complete visibility and elevate the showroom finish. Restored decals bring back the car's racing identity and iconic character. Glossy tires enhance grip appearance and complete the showroom-ready stance. Fresh fluids ensure smooth operation and protect the restored engine. Power is restored, preparing the car for its first start after restoration. The moment of truth arrives as power flows through the restored machine. The restored engine starts effortlessly, running smooth and silent once again. The engine breathes again, releasing calm power into the air. Lowering her back down now, everything feels solid and perfectly aligned after the full restoration. Everything's moving smoothly now. The drivetrain feels perfectly balanced and strong. That deep gloss shows the paint has fully cured, smooth, clean, and flawless. Not a single imperfection left. This hood is finished to perfection. The wheels are turning smoothly, alignment and balance are spot on. From forgotten to flawless, every detail now shines like new. Months of work, and now she shines perfectly in the real light. The sunlight reveals every curve, and the finish is absolutely perfect. From abandoned to legendary, she's reborn stronger than ever. A clean finish, the kind of work you can be proud of. She's ready, smooth, strong, and back on the road. Restored with care, now ready for its new journey. Now the freshly restored Lightning McQueen is on its way to its new home, shining like brand new once again. And here it is, delivered safely, shining brighter than ever by the ocean.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much for this payment. It was a pleasure restoring this beauty for you.